Sandra Carr works in Victoria, BC, where she's an instructor at Camosun College's Fine Furniture program. Before working at the college, Carr was a studio furniture maker. Sandra obviously draws heavily from Japanese furniture design. The simple lines she brings into her work and the straight-grained wood she prefers all come together to give a sense of harmony. Whenever Carr does include some figured wood in her work, it's always in an understated way and never overdone. That's the case with this Gary oak cabinet. The arbutus burl veneer on the door panels doesn't overpower the otherwise simple lines and straight grain of the cabinet. And here's an elm hall table Carr built that includes rusted sheet metal, wenge, a clay pot, and wrought iron nails. Carr's friend had a square pot hanging around her studio. Carr asked if she could do something with it, and this table's the result. Here are some other pieces Carr's made. Carr is an instructor and program leader in the Fine Furniture program at Camosun College in Victoria. The college also has a wood recovery program, and Carr likes to use some of that wood in the shop. Here's a very small collection of work by Carr's students from over the years.